Do you notice that there's so many food holidays now? There's one for pizza, cheese, cupcakes, cookies, but we're neglecting one very important dish, fried rice. I hear you. So today I'm gonna show you how to make chicken adobo fried rice. So good. Usually this is made with leftover chicken adobo. It's something my mom would do to mix up real quick for dinner. If you don't have it or have never made it before, no worries. Here's a little shortcut. Take some leftover chicken or rotisserie chicken and just shred it up. Whenever my mom made boiled chicken for a certain recipe, she would sit me down and say, okay, here, shred the chicken. And then she'd come back 5 minutes later and half of it was gone. And I'd be like, I don't know what happened. Spoiler, I ate it all. Now for the aromatics, use a ton of garlic, okay? I mean like a lot. It's really good, trust me. Just mince it all up. If you're worried about your fingers smelling like garlic, a quick tip is to rub your hands on something stainless steel. So you wash your hands in the water, rub it on a knife safely or a sink. Gets rid of the garlic smell. Any smell you want to get off your hands anyway. Helpful tips I give you, huh? And now for some chili. This isn't traditional in Filipino adobo, but I like the addition of a little spice. So I have some serrano chilies here. You could use whichever chili you'd like. Time to cook. So in this wok, you can use a pan if you like. Drizzle a lot of oil and then drop in the chili and garlic. Instantly, smells amazing. You just want to cook this until the garlic is super golden brown. Now it's time to add the shredded chicken. Next, the soy sauce and vinegar. This is the smell of my people. Not that all Filipinos smell like adobo, but you know what I mean. Now you just stir this around until all the liquid evaporates. It's gonna get deep and dark and brown. With a little bit of patience, you will have this crispy little shreds of chicken. It's deepened in color because of the soy sauce. Little salty bites. Do not worry because that flavor is gonna be dispersed throughout this rice. It's best to use leftover day-old white rice. If you use rice that's freshly steamed or cooked, it's gonna be too mushy, you're not gonna be happy. I'm not gonna be happy because you won't get to taste the true magic of this dish. Add some more oil to the pan, just enough to coat the rice a little bit, and in goes the rice. It helps if you break up any lumps in the rice before you add it to the pan so you're not just like cooking out anger on your pan. If you want to add just a little bit of moisture, this is the time to add a little bit of water. Just another final mix for safety. Now I'm just showing off. And there you have it, adobo fried rice. This looks so good. I highly recommend eating this with like some steamed bok choy. Complete dinner right there. It really does deserve its own damn holiday, its own parade, okay? I hope you guys give this a try. I'll see you next time. Bye.